was my plan, and it's built, it's finished. This is my very first ever steel frame welded for a DIY table. There were measurement mistakes, and after welding some warping occurred. You know, some of the metal bent up and down, but everything eventually went right. Everything is fixed, and we have this beautiful table right here, which we can use for kids' study or as a coffee table right before the sofa, or you know, go for the printers. Well, I will call it a day. I'm tired, sweating. There's a lot of iron on me, like iron dust on me. I can tell you, if I was a magnet, you could see how much iron dust I'm carrying after all that grinding and welding and everything. But I'm happy. The result is really looking very, very good. So I'm gonna take a shower, eat some food, say prayers, and then set this thing up for printers or whatever. So stay tuned for more DIY homemade build project, DIY ideas, and much more coming your way on this channel.